So we about to go shoot our music video. You hear me? Our music video.
Do me a favor, please.
So vlog girl right now the video shoot. All the ladies in the back, that's some of them. Batman. They are lit.
Hello everyone.
They're wicked. Come on, Taya.
So right now we are here.
You gotta get up there.
Hey, Famous, I can't stand up here, sir. To the window.
Good idea.
What are you there?
Right now we are here. And everybody there, so okay, in there right there. Troubles them there behind the video seeing this. Show them all.
Hi everybody.
Hold on, let me see. I was just trying to put it early. I'm gonna shit the car. Hey, you can go grab my phone for me, please?
Really? Really, bro?
Look what me and see. Right now we're just there. Shabbos are talking about there. Fish soon start share and bread.
I ain't necessarily changed, but
Shabbos.
I need you to fall in full blown. Like,
Watch
we're
out.
here.
People, this video is too explicit. So, look more. Right now we're up on set. Jalen's right there, you know already know.
Yo.
Mad and mean. We got some blue light in this shit.
Just get 6 gal and a pre and next 6. Every night before me sleep on it, a new gal have to tell me good night before me lock off the light. So over girl, me not go argue, over girl, me not go fight.
In the trunk, go side to side with the booty. Side to side with the booty in the back.
So right about now you don't know, so the video shoot was a hit, it was a success. And we reached home, you know, everybody there. Chabas over there. We're just holding our vibes.
Yeah, it was fun.
You come late, dog.
What?
Tell me about it. Why? Burn up forward. No man, nothing tell us you come late.
Oh,
Why? Yes, people right now just consume some food. Yeah, I never mackerel this time, but I mean the mackerel thing go mackerel for breakfast tomorrow still, but
What have you said, Booba?
Song shoot Monday, mix Tuesday, video do Friday that drop.
Sunday.
So right now, ladies and gentlemen, we are here bright and early. Chabas over there, I head it. Alright, that's all we need to know, that's all we need to know. Right over here now, we have...
Alright, where you cook this evening?
I don't know. Chicken.
And tell him say...
No, you can't say chicken. Me a Rasta. We can't deal with chicken.
Ricky I go cook a ballad food right now. The thing is, Ricky don't consume meat and Ricky normally cook brown stew chicken for me. Ask me how, but it's always bad, always. And him not tasty food. You have everything we need?
Sir.
Alright, so Ricky say he can go on, so Ricky I go deal with that. I go shell out the rice right now.
Somebody see that?
That would have good. That would have be a nice prank. As you can see, what a bubble. Ricky above is season up him chicken right now. Instead of rice and peas, it's like the same thing but a vegetable. Show you. Yeah, brown stew chicken, yeah, browning up and so. Brown stew chicken, no vegetable rice and peas, but you know what I mean. Potato salad. Yeah, we just there and we do it. But to mix some sugar and water, I'm done. Tell me why Chabas tell this a boy I said, beard blue. Right? One job, right? Beard blue. Watch out. Poor blue. I know so we beard him, you know.
Huh?
I know so we beard him, you know.
How you beard him?
In a bad pan with rag and soap.
I saw it.
Wash out your arm.
If you scroll down, man. Early. I get in the port, man. All the tours and everything. I want to be a dad with rag and towel.
Yo, the sun out here so is oh my god. Can't see shit. But remember me telling you say bird have nest out here? Well, baby them born. Bird last night, C-section. We have to look at them, we pick out the eye. Oh, I'm have a worm in their mouth. Yo, so people, me there and me edit a vlog phone, and the way me edit the vlog and I add effects and everything, yo, me I say to myself, say, how far me I come from, you know, how far the whole way I come from. Chabas the whole way, how far we I come from, to how video quality look, to how it edit, to everything. And right now, I think right now is the perfect time for me show uno, and for all of the newcomers them. The video, I have a video for sure, no? I'm gonna play a video right now. You probably don't know. Long time one them were there from long time. You probably see this, you probably watch it over and over, but this is my first actual video when I do on Chabas TV. This is the first video me and Chabas did together. We're up on YouTube. The first video.
Yo! 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 Any name wanna call you?
Dog, we don't know you, dog.
Yo, boss, come here. No.
Oh my God!
You wanna kill him?
I want to
Yo, go in there, fuck.
Dog, how you have to, dog?
You have in your pocket.
Dog, my phone, dog. Just take the headphone and left the phone, no?
Take the one, left the one like a pussy. I'm to the boy, yo.
Dog, I'm not shut as this,
Yo,
dog.
give me a gun,
Dog, I'm a big man YouTube in the dog. Andrew Chabas, dog. Big man thing, dog. I'm not fair to you, sir.
Chabas? Come in, no Chabas. We know him. You on YouTube have a funny video, them man.
Oh, are you a blood clan? Follow me on Twitter, pussy.
Never know you.
The man follow you.
Yo,
I go to you.
I go to you.
I like how you know me, dog. Give me about something, dog.
Get up.
Get up, man, get up.
Hey man, what do you think them? What do you think them?
You know, say all Chabas thing, I didn't even say nothing, dog. I want to tell my youth. Yo, you know what? Yo, you want boxer, man?
No, man, everything good.
I don't say nothing about it.
Go all the shot at head box. Swell nice, yo. Put some ice on it and you
Joke thing, you never know, sir, you, boss. Never know,
Yo, what good? You hear me, boss?
Never know, sir.
Everything good, dog. You see?
Yo, add me back on Facebook, you know, FamousSosick, you
I
know.
follow me on Twitter, my boss.
Oh, follow them, dog. Fuck you.
Oh, we roll, tell them I'm a over we.
People, I'm a first video that when you see how far where I come from, to how the video look, to how it sound, to everything, but you don't know, say quality fade and quality get better. And while we there talk right now, there was a video we would have got do back in the days and nobody never want to do it, nobody never want to play a part in it because them say it gay. And back then we be afraid to touch no topic where people are gonna look on we and say, yo, why not do that, why not do this. This video it called Jamaicans Don't Twerk. I'm gonna play the video and when you say which video we are talking.
Pop your pussy like this. Pop your pussy like this. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Pop your pussy like this. Do it, do it, do it. Pop your pussy like this. Do it, do it, do it. Pop your pussy like this.
I got a bitch named Nisha, Nisha be with it. She suck my dick, and she wash my dick. She's gotta wash my paper, and I mean.
Remember when we did the video, it's like we edit the video and got the barber shop, and by the time we reach the barber shop, the man in the barber shop I say, yo dog, when you just do the video, cause same thing when you know, we see you a world star, and we I say what? By the time we drop the video and reach barber shop, the video reach world star. And them days yeah, world star was big. World star I did the biggest thing. And you couldn't pay for go on world star. You actually the affy viral for go on world star. Nobody never wanted the video because a gay party in there. Me say me not do it. Chaba say me not do it. Nice end up do it because Nice him no care. It's just a part him a act, it's just a character, it's just a video like this. People used to kill with for back in the days. People used to be a thing like, yo, what them boy that do? Man a go on son this and that, but yo, it's funny that's Wally for the man them back then we used to burn out them video there and burn out we. Them right now I say, yo brother, can't make you keep a party together, you know, near my food or yo me have a party I come up, you know, make a promo video, you know, throw it up on your page, make people them know. Dog. Suppose we really listen to them people and say, yo, we not make no video no more, because people are gonna hate so we are do this and people are gonna hate so we are do that. Yo, you cannot please people. You cannot please everybody. So no matter where you are in your life, just focus on that and do not listen to people. We're there and we are doing it for the vlog. Always. And we are doing this for honor. So I'm hoping you enjoy it. But right now I'm just gonna end the vlog here right here, so I'm gonna upload this phone tonight. So you can get a vlog, then I go start back vlog right away, so you can get the vlog there in 2 days time. Alright? I'm out.